we are going to learn binary to decimal conversion. So this is question. This is binary number system. You have to convert this in decimal. Means you are moving from radix 2 to 10. Means you are now moving radix smaller to greater. So in these case, what you have to do, first you will write all binary numbers with some distance. So what is number here? 1, 1, 0 and 1. These binary number system we have to convert to decimal. So what we do here, while converting binary to decimal, we raise power to 2. Okay, so we will continue from power 0 to length minus 1. So when you will see what is the length of this binary number system is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll continue to raise power from 0 to 4. It always go from 0 to length minus 1. Here, according to this question, its length is 5. So we will continue to raise power from 0 to 4. Fine. So now we will write 2 to the power 0 every time, and 2 to the power 0. Now 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, and 2 to the power 4. Clarity is important. Make sure that you are writing each 2 to the power with below to 1 digit. Okay, so this is below to this part is below to this. Okay, so calculation will become easy. So now how to calculate, as we know, so all the 0 first will cross. So in according to this number here we have only 1 0, so we'll cross this value. Okay, because whatever the value will be there, when we will multiply this 0, we will get 0 value. So first we'll cross this. Now we will keep calculating and we'll keep adding. All the calculation, all the power will be calculated and then it will be added to next number. So 2 to the power 0 means 1, because we know any basis there, if its power is 0, value will be 1. So 2 to the power 0 value is 1. It should multiply by this one. Again, this will become 0. 0 multiplied by 2 is equal to 0, so it will be 0 only. Now 1, it should multiply by 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, right? Again 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 is equal to 2 2 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. Again 1 multiplied by 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 value will be, we have to multiply 2 4 times. So 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 2. It means 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8 and 8 2 ja 16. So here we will write 16. Right. So now we will do calculate. Now, so 16 multiplied by 1 is equal to 16 plus 8 plus 4. 0 will vanish and 1. Now we will add this. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 8 equal to 13. 13 plus 6 is equal to 19. Carry 1. And 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 29 will be the answer. Fine. So what we will write? Decimal conversion of this binary number system is equal to 29. Because we are converting this to decimal, and decimal number system has radix 10, so we will write this 10. Okay, so this will be final answer. Fine. So I